Buying your kid an electric car is one of the perfect gifts that you could give them. Guess what? To kids, gifts are one sure way to let them know how much you love them. There is a lot of cool toys for kids, but some kids just want a car like their dad to drive. Lucky enough for those kids, there are toy cars that have similar features as a real car. These battery-powered cars are the perfect treat for your kids. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys some of the coolest cars that will make your kids look even cooler among their peers. So grab a drink and let's check out some of these cool toy cars. Number 9. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S is now also available for kids as well. This toy car runs on a Tesla battery. The car looks like the exact replica of a Tesla Model X, only smaller. This car is available in the official store of Tesla Motors, and the Tesla Model S car has a lithium-ion battery that provides a longer-lasting battery life. The solid body of the car can carry the weight easily, and it is also equipped with different sound effects that provide a real driving experience for your kid. This Tesla was built for kids between the ages of 3 and 8 years old. The car goes up to 6 miles per hour, but parents can control it according to their choice. Number 8. Toyota Tundra. If you are looking for that fun toddler car with some serious style, then the Toyota Tundra has you covered. The officially licensed Toyota Tundra pickup truck for children delivers more than just great looks. With a top speed of 3 miles per hour thanks to its 12-volt battery, this mini electric car comes even with a 4-wheel drive suspension. The electric truck is equipped with a lot of features such as LED headlights, a built-in MP3 player, lockable doors, a storage compartment, and a reliable electric brake system. The electric Toyota Tundra comes with a long-range parent remote control and emergency brake to help ensure that your kid is always safe when riding in it. As one of the best electric cars for kids on the market, the Toyota Tundra can hold up to 66 pounds in its cabin. This makes the mini pickup truck great for children within the ages of 3 to 8 years old. Number 7. BMW X6. The BMW X6 toy car for kids has to be one of the most beautiful choices for kids. This is the replica of the BMW X6 for adults, and without a doubt it looks very luxurious, and this electric motor is known to have a speed of 5 miles per hour. Also, parents can limit the speed of the car if they feel that it is too dangerous for their children. This solid body vehicle is capable of carrying a weight of a kid up to 8 years old. The car has leather seats and an entertainment system built into the body of the car. The car is also known for its long-lasting battery life, so kids can play for hours in it. Number 6. Mini McLaren P1. Now this is an exact replica of the McLaren P1 for kids. This car also has a battery-powered motor. This mini McLaren P1 car has a top speed of 5 miles per hour, but parents can control it. This car is also fitted with mini doors that open and closes like that of a real McLaren P1. This car also comes with a remote controlling option so parents can control the ride from the remote. This is a great mini car for your kid if he or she is an admirer of McLaren. Number 5. Ford Mustang Car. The Ford Mustang electric car is sporty and super cool, appealing to both young and older children. It is a 2-seater with adjustable speed controls and a carrying capacity of about 130 pounds, which makes it a great car that remains reliable as your kids get older. The Ford Mustang car is one of the top toy cars that has 2 speeds, which are 2.5 miles per hour and 5 miles per hour, with a forward and reverse gear. It is capable of driving effectively on both smooth and uneven surfaces. Entertainment features on this car include the classic running horse and a working radio. The Ford Mustang uses a 12-volt battery. Number 4. Maserati Gran Cabrio. This fun-sized Maserati Gran Cabrio delivers the smoothest ride a young child could ever wish for, with its EVA wheels and spring suspension mimicking the quality modeled in the original vehicles. This will ensure that your child will have a safe, seamless experience behind the wheel of this mini electric car. However, the enjoyment does not stop there. With a radio, built-in music, and stories for your child to listen to while driving, and pre-programmed horn and engine sounds, your kid definitely will be thrilled with the car that looks and sounds just like the real thing. This vehicle is most appropriate for children between the ages of 2 and 5 years old. It also has a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour and a weight limit of 77 pounds. The Maserati Gran Cabrio for kids can be used for a continuous hour of drive time both in and outdoors. Number 3. Power Wheel Ford F-150. This small Power Wheel Ford F-150 for kids is an exact replica of the Ford F-150 truck. This truck is capable of running at 5 miles per hour speed, but parents can also change and lower the speed as they see fit. This truck has a metal and carbon body, which makes it a strong truck. Not only the kids, but adults can also sit in it and enjoy the ride. It can carry a weight of up to 60 pounds, it has a motor that runs using the battery, and this car also has sound effects, working lights, and a long-lasting battery that is rechargeable. Number 2. GLS 63 Mercedes-Benz. If you are looking to introduce your child to auto luxury from an early age, then look no further. The replica of the GLS 63 Mercedes-Benz for kids is a smaller version of the same vehicle. This is a battery-powered car that runs on a motor, and this motor produces a top speed of 5 miles per hour, but the speed can be adjusted using different controls. A remote control makes parental supervision possible in this model. Gradual acceleration, an electric brake system, and rubber traction help create a smooth ride. Built-in MP3 player will ensure that your kids can listen to their best tunes while playing. A full charge requires 8 to 12 hours of charging time and then will provide about 4 to 6 hours of running time. You need not fear overcharging, as the Mercedes comes with its own smart charging system that will turn off once the battery is fully charged. The car has a working light and also has a great performance battery-wide. Number 1. Lamborghini Aventador. Ride-on cars don't come much cooler than this startlingly realistic Lamborghini look-alike. The Lamborghini Aventador is one of the most iconic Lamborghinis of all time. The replica of this Lamborghini is available for kids to drive, and this replica is powered by the battery that is packed under the hood. This battery allows your kid to ride at a speed of 3.7 miles per hour. However, the speed is adjustable so that kids can feel comfortable in it too. There is also access to a remote control to help supervise your kids in case of any danger. Not only this, but this car also has a built-in horn and LED light, which makes them visible to other people around them. It also has a 12-volt battery, leather seats, an entertainment system, and musical sound effects. The Lamborghini Aventador has to be one of the best street-ready ride-on cars. Now, unfortunately, that is all the time that we do have left for today, so tell us which of these cars are the coolest down in the comment section below. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this, and turn on your post notifications to stay tuned so you don't miss any updates from us. Until next time, stay safe, people. We'll see you soon.